Hi guys. Welcome back to another segment, with various accessories for your easiest lifestyle. As usual, all the links is in the description box below. And don't forget to press the subscribe button, to encourage us to provide more videos like this. This collapsible funnel has a foldable feature, occupy less kitchen space after folding, and easy to store in any place. The silicone design makes it suitable for containers of various caliber sizes, which can be used in transfer loading various liquids or powder. These silicone hooks are perfect for hanging towels, razors, toothbrushes, keys, and any other small accessories. It comes with 4 elasticated post feet to hold the objects securely, making it very stable and convenient to put or remove objects. This lemon juicer is made of acrylic materials which is very sturdy, durable, and anti-rust. Put a slice of lemon, and you can drink lemonade instantly with a simple press. Squeeze lemon directly, for shrimp, salmon, cocktails, vegetables, to add flavor to your cuisine. This rolling garlic crusher is the compact design, to grasp, also convenient for storage. The blade is sharp but easy to disassemble. Cutting garlic has since become fun and simple. These straps are the best solution for organizing extension cords, hoses, rope, and so much more. The grommet straps fit garage storage system hooks and are the perfect garage pegboard accessories. This salt shaker helps you control your daily salt intake and maintain your health. It evenly sprinkles 0.5 grams of salt every time you press it. This glass bottle transparent, free of impurities and odor. This sticky lint roller with cover comes with retractable long handle, can be adjusted to any suitable sizes as you need. The extra sticky are very easy to use, which the diagonal cut design for fast tear off, guarantees pet hair remover for clothing. This dough cutter allows you to make a lot of dumplings easily in a short period and reduce your preparation time. These makers are suitable for making calzone, empanada, dumplings, and so on. The firm handles give you the dumplings in an even size and round shape. This adjustable pillow drying hanger will keep the natural shape of your pillow and plush dolls. It's one of the saving space tool, which help to keep your room tidy to use it indoors or outdoors. This hanger's dryer net is easy to hang on any pole or rod. This Castle sensor corner light is designed with transparent acrylic sheet, which brings romantic atmosphere for the whole room. It's the motion sensor light. When someone enters the sensing area, the light will turn on in advance, and the light will automatically turn off when no movement. This portable wall heater is great choice for people who live in a mild climate. It's compact yet powerful, plugs right into your wall outlet, and turns a cold room into a warm and cozy place. You can set the thermostat to your desired temperature. No more wire clutter across the floor. This 5-hole clothes hanger, designed to hang multiple clothes at one time. And the buckle width can be adjusted according to the actual position. It's perfect for your laundry room organization and storage needs. This storage box with lid handle will keep your product fresher longer. It's ideal for salad, fruits, vegetables, poultry, and more. You can place them individually, or stacked in refrigerator, freezer, or inside pantry cabinets, or even can be used to store liquids without spilling. This fish scale scraper is designed with the cover. When the fish scales are scraped, the scales will not flying and making the mess. Simply lay the fish on a flat work surface and hold it firmly. Then scrape the fish to remove all fish scales. This wall-mounted cereal dispenser has 6 grids of storage box. With its compartmental design, this dispenser allows for storing and managing rice and other grains. And visual scale window provide real-time observation of reserves, making it easy to monitor and replenish grains. This Cactus seasoning bottle with spoon can be used to hold a variety of condiments. The lid and spoon of the seasoning jar are integrated design, which is very convenient in the cooking process. With exquisite craft, it has smooth sides and corners, and carry it without any hassle. This silicone dishwashing cleaning scrubber is with soft bristles, provides a gentle scrub, and will not cause scratches to your tableware. It's flexible so you can bend and roll to clean the corners and glasses. You can hang it in a visible place when not in use. This pastry lattice cutter is designed with rollers, so you only need to roll it on the dough, cut it neatly, and pull it apart to form a grid appearance. It can be used to make biscuits, pastries, bread, cakes, desserts, pies, pizza, and other purposes to meet your different needs. This 5-wheel stainless steel dough cutter can be expand and adjust frame to desired space. It has a comfortable handle, clear size and locking device, which can realize a stable hand feeling, and precise and an even cutting. This high-pressure pump cleaner are easy to inflate, the most atmospheric pressure, which can quickly unclog your clogged pipe, sink, bathtub and more. It'll reduce splashing, clean the toughest clogs instantly, and avoid dirtying your home. This U-shaped child-proof cabinet lock are suitable for wardrobes, cupboards, and other cabinets with side-by-side handles. Due to the need for finger coordination, it is difficult for babies to open, but easy for adults to unlock with one hand. It's easy to install and remove, without the damage to the surface. This 10-in-1 detachable kitchen scissors is suitable for a large number of kitchen tasks. It can be used as a nutcracker, bottle opener, wiper, with micro-serrated edges, for non-slip cutting, and a comfortable grip. The stainless steel is deeply embedded in the handle, making it strong and safe, and will make your food preparation easier and faster. This 8-in-1 dumpling mold is great for mixing fillings, and allow you to make 8 dumplings at a time, which effectively saves your time. The wavy texture design of the head increases the friction between the spoon and the filling. With this set of equipment at home, you can make various dumplings, ravioli, buns, and more, with your family. This seasoning container is transparent, that you can easily distinguish the various seasonings in this condiment. Each box comes with a scoop, and has a lid, which is a great way to store and preserve ingredients. This toilet paper holder with shelf is easy to mount on your bathroom wall. It comes with a nice round bar to hold the toilet paper, and it can be mounted on the right or left side. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, which has the functions of rust-proof, waterproof, and high-temperature resistance. This multifunctional storage rack with door provides ample space for storing plates, vegetables, and even your phone. This storage rack can be easily mounted with its punch-free design. When not in use, simply fold the rack up against the wall to save space and keep your home looking tidy. This toothbrush magnetic cup holder is an innovative design of the way the holder and gargle tumbler place. With the magnetic upside-down design, the toothbrush cup will not have water residue or to ensure your dental hygiene. With the seamless sticker, the cup set will be sturdily attached to a smooth surface. This separated food storage container is suitable for the preparation of vegetables, meat, snacks, and other meals, which helps to maximize your space. Whether you eat hot pot or store food, you can keep your work table clean and orderly. It can be rotated, drained, and eaten separately to keep the food fresh and show all kinds of delicacies. This Flip It will help you to get every last drop of your liquid products. It'll reducing wastage and maximizing value. With the pattern design, the switching out your bottle's original cap or pump will easier. Activate the valve and let gravity do its work. This cat paw shape 5 Grids Condiment is designed to make your cooking experience easier. You can easily scoop and measure your favorite spices and seasonings without any hassle. With the side handle pickup design, will easier to open the lid with one hand. It can also be used to store and organize small items such as office supplies, jewelry, or even medications. This vegetable cleaner device prevents harmful substances from entering the food. Just put this device into the water. It can work automatically through recognizing water pressure. When you pick up, it automatically stops working. This electric pepper and salt grinder is with gravity sensor switch, which simply flip the grinder, and you will have fresh ground spices. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt or pepper, by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. With this knitting loom, even if you don't have any knitting experience, you can use it to weave scarf and shawl. It's easy to use and convenient to carry wherever you go. Releasing your creativity with this DIY knitting looms kit, design handcraft, homemade items for you and your family. This fish scaler remover can easily help you to solve the scale problem and enjoy fresh food with family. It designed with the outer cover, which let the scales not fly out everywhere. Just put the scraper on the fish and move from left to the right. It'll quickly and easily clean the scales off the fish. That's all for today, guys. Subscribe for more gadgets, and see you on next video.